If you're pitching a corporate offer that drives real business outcomes, but labeling it as a training, you're probably underselling it. Because here's the truth: companies don't invest in training, they invest in transformation. And calling your offer a training puts it in the wrong category, budget wise, decision maker wise, and value wise. Let's fix that. If your work is strategic, your language needs to match. Here are three ways to elevate how you talk about your offer so companies see it as essential and not optional. Number one, use business centric language, not learning language. The word training, what it does is it signals an isolated event, a skills lesson, a line item in HR's developmental budget. But if what you do drives retention, leadership effectiveness, communication, or DEI outcomes, that's not a training. That's a strategic initiative. So swap training for terms like executive development, organizational leadership strategy, strategic advisory engagement, high impact consulting program. This subtle shift, it moves your offer from nice to have to need to implement. Number two, tie your offer to a business priority, not just a learning outcome. Corporate buyers don't wake up thinking, I need to hire a trainer. But what they do wake up thinking is, how do we retain our top women leaders? How do we improve trust across departments? How do we elevate executive visibility without burnout? So your pitch should answer that. It should answer what it is that they wake up thinking. Instead of saying, I offer mindset training for leadership teams, say, I help organizations increase leadership trust and retention through strategic mindset frameworks. Now your offer is speaking their language and showing up in the right budget category so that you can make the right amount of money. And number three, frame the offer as a solution, not a session. This is where most experts get overlooked. You pitch a 90-minute training when you could be offering a 90-day initiative or a 3-month advisory engagement or a leadership accelerator with measurable KPIs. Don't just offer content, offer change. Companies want to buy outcomes and they're willing to invest 5 and 6 figures when your positioning reflects that. You're not here to teach them something, you're here to solve something. You can't forget that. If you've ever felt like companies just aren't getting the value of what you do, this is probably why. It's not your offer, it's the way you're talking about it. You're not a trainer only, you're a strategist, a partner, a solution provider. So start sounding like one, and then you'll start getting paid like one. If you want to know how deal ready your brand is, take the influence growth assessment at myinfluencestyle.com. And remember, your influence was never meant to just be visible, it was meant to be bankable.